only on the Weather Channel.
A flood watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 45 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, rain, low 42. Rainfall near 1/4 inch. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Wednesday, periods of rain, high 47. Rainfall near 1 inch. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, an elementary school badly damaged in this morning's storms was in Proctorville, Ohio, and it wasn't the only area that saw damage. Here you can see trees down into homes. There's a little bit of the structure. The fire department in town also badly damaged. The good news, no one was in that elementary school. It's spring break this week, so the students were not in the building. It was empty. But you can see the fire department seeing some significant damage. Unfortunately, then we had some clearing skies and now more storms on the way. Right now, we are looking at areas to the west of Louisville where we've got an active tornado warning in effect. This storm moving about 55 miles an hour along Interstate 64. So southern Ohio, extreme northern parts of the state of Kentucky under the warning. We've got severe thunderstorm warnings up and down the line as well. A lot of these have been warned also for the potential of a tornado. So here in Crawford, Harrison, and Meade counties, that's the tornado warning until 5:15 local time. Again, moving 55 miles an hour. So around the bottom of the hour, it's going to be in the Louisville metro area. Really, the metro area sooner than that. There's our area. There's our area of rotation right here along into the south of I-64. Very strong winds, though. This green line. Here's the strong surge of wind that's accompanying these storms. And again, 40-plus mile-an-hour winds possible. Some of these areas have seen gusts well in excess of that, and we think the potential for the 60-mile-an-hour winds are likely, even 75 miles an hour or greater. That's what the Storm Prediction Center has been concerned about. And right there in that kink along the line where you see that little notch, that's where we could see that possible tornado spin up. So now we've got storms approaching Louisville. They are on the strong side. This whole area warned for the gusty, damaging winds. 5:15, the expiration on this. We'll time out the line because, again, there are a few notches on the line, so wouldn't be surprised to see another area get under a tornado warning. Morgan, 4:56, Georgetown, 5:10. Louisville, again, bottom of the hour for you. St. Matthews, 5:46. So that 5 to 6 time frame on those highways, I-64, I-65, Highway 31 and 31 West, Highway 60. These are going to be an absolute mess. At the very least, you're going to see very heavy rain. At the worst, severe and tornado warnings. So big problems beginning to head towards the Louisville area. South side of Indianapolis has been rocking and rolling. We've got some storms on the west side of town. Severe thunderstorm warning along I-65 here south of Indianapolis. So we're watching for gusty, damaging winds there. We've got a severe warning into Kentucky, east of Interstate 69. We've got our tornado warning that continues here into West Virginia. This has been a confirmed tornado in Nicholas County. It is north of Raynell. So a lot of people live along this stretch between Raynell, Montgomery, Quinwood, and Lewisburg. Here you're getting up into elevation, right? So we are moving away from Nicholas County into parts of Greenbrier County. So now we've got a lot of terrain as the Appalachians are in play. This storm is going to be moving towards Lisle and Clearco and Leonard and Jaycox. So at least the National Weather Service in Charleston, they're keeping the tornado warning. National Weather Service in Blacksburg has gone for the severe thunderstorm warning north of Raynell into Greenbrier County. So at this point, beyond the top of the hour, they're going to let that expire. Gusty, damaging winds, that we know there's a ton of trees. I mean, this part of West Virginia is absolutely stunning, but trees coming down going to be a real concern here with the winds that are blasting through with that storm. Cincinnati, you're going to be up next. We've seen available energy on the rise. So our morning storms gave way to more sunshine, more dry time. That allowed temperatures to warm up. Felicia dew points have been on the rise. And so again, things are prime here across the Ohio River Valley, especially Cincinnati to Columbus to about Lexington. These are areas we got to watch in the next few minutes.
Yeah, and that's what we were expecting to happen, Alex. Let's take a live look from Charles Peak. Just look at that, those dark clouds off in the distance. Charles Peak showing us that our storm tracker out there keeping track of those dangerous storms. Charles there in Harrison County, Indiana. So a live look there, just that dark wall of clouds and storms that's going to be moving in. So let's time it out for you. A lot of us are going to be seeing that kind of visual as we head through the next several hours. Hopefully you're not seeing it from your car moving in on you as you complete your afternoon commute or anything like that. Take a look at our TWRCON for cities like Cincinnati, Columbus, Chillicothe. You've got a TWRCON of 7 there. We're watching as these storms filter in along that 71 corridor, 75 as well. That 6 o'clock time frame is what worries me because, of course, you know, a lot of people getting off work around 5:30. You're on the roadways around 6 in the peak of that rush hour, and that's when some of these storms are going to be blasting through. So you hate to see that damaging wind gusts, that possibility for tornadoes and hail as well for this region. So kind of all of those risks in play. Birmingham down through Montgomery, TWRCON of 5 into tonight. It's going to be after dark when we're looking at that possibility for storms for most of this area, those most potent storms anyways. Of course, the Weather Channel is going to be with you through the rest of these storms.